Grimco, we are the nation's largest wholesaler of sign material. I run our Philadelphia hub, which is Grimco's largest square footage facility at 141,000. So before Avidbots entered our life and deployed Neo for us, we would clean the floor, hands and knees, mopping and sweeping around. Now we press a button. That's the best way to say it, I guess. So Grimco considered floor care automation pretty much for the employee experience. Warehousing is tough labor. It's not easy. It hurts sometimes, but that doesn't mean you have to come into a dirty environment. So when you come in, when the employees come into work now, it's a clean environment. They're trying to keep it clean as well. They appreciate that. Their clothes aren't getting dirty as they're working. They go home looking the same as they come in. They don't need to change their clothes in the car to go to the supermarket after work. So just investing a little bit of money into the employee experience has gone tremendously with our team. Beyond a cleaner facility, Neo has allowed us to reallocate labor resources to pulling freight, shipping freight, and getting it out of here. That's increased our productivity levels. The employee experience is really key to retention. So on a daily basis, I get an email from the robot. It tells me how it's doing, the path it took, how it performed. It's trying to beat itself every day. Did it run into any obstacles? It's a really interesting thing. So in my opinion, I would say Neo is the future because of its ability to be autonomous, its ability to operate unsupervised, its ability to maneuver around obstacles, and its ability to clean the floor, right? So I would say it's the future of warehouse cleanliness for sure.